so the load moves upwards and the cable is pulled. Application ng ilan? Application, construction size, reach, loading in an chemical reaction, shipping force, manufacturing,
Hindi kaya sa pressure.
Yes. Gamay mag-kitcha man.
Pero sa real bitaw, anak nga, machine, di ba? Sa real life, wala ka gagamit ng syringe. Kasi lang gigamit ani, para ma-operate siya. Dili, wala pa yung syringe, gurong katingani ka dako. Sa tinuod sa ka machine, gamit sila piston. Di ba nasa lang piston na gina? Sige, sumunod yung suggestion ni Master. Gusto siya dumaga ng tubig. I-try niya dumaga ng tubig. Then what happened? Muli siya. Natanggal siya. Hindi siya pwede kung tagal na kaya kung para anak kung paano siya. Actually, nag-apply na siya dari o kuan, hydraulic system. Nag-apply na sila hydraulic, no? Okay. Any other suggestion? No, kanay sa likod. Suggestion sa yes, sa baga. Tumagal o ligid? Sa mga pagkakas o ligid? So ganito siya mumove tanan. Kaya kanino magulatan na sa taas.
Actually, naman na i-trackball ta.
Yes.
Pero at least, nag-effort tungkol sila sa ilahan. Congratulations, young one. Good for your boy!
Power!
Okay, proceed to. Ganahan ko sa ilang presentation. Very colorful.
Magano sa gist.
Laos ko may lahat.
Wait, Earl, palit sa quad Earl, wait, kaya mo.
You make sure na ikaw siya para kailangan rin yung kailangan ko upgrade. Functional din siya. 30 points na ba ang functionality? Okay, this is screw.
Wheel.
Well.
Wheel. Well, di ba di ay?
You explain carefully. Sige, para taas ang points.
Everyone, we are the group 2 and our machine is waterwell. Karena dia picture bang, mungkin mau kita.
Video tarong mo.
Materials nga nagamit ng gitwa na cardboard, stick glue, illustration board, color paper, popsicle stick, yarn of matches. Tapos, ginanin lang ko no, imo da ang kanang bait daw ma gamit karton tapos gamit nila ng stage board mo.
Water wheel.
Ito bibaga sa ato tas kanila. Kung sila kasi mag-isulot kita nila tilingaw para makaning sa handle mo.
Sige, well, tabang.
Itanin nila yan para sa kaning budget.
Bagay.
So, gitan nila. So, sila.
Uy, nada yung istorya GG gitu. Sa kipin na kaya pulos kaya kaya istoryahan yun.
Hindi ka nila mo. Nag-design nila gamit ng bato. Galing murang dito. Sa kanila. Kung kailangan ka ng
Tuyok nila ka na ambol. Ay, ambol, amis.
Ang bakit?
Oo, bulit.
Taas. Palis mo sila.
Simple machines.
Ayan na.
Pero rin ko kaplog.
Yata din sa manto niya.
Will and axle, the wheel and axle diba? When turning below.
Patay.
Changes the direction of the pulling force while the wheel and axle and the lever help reduce the effort needed to raise the bucket.
Then application. Heating water from deep wells. A pulley makes it easier to lift heavy buckets of water from deep wells with less effort. Number 2. Watering plants and crops. A pulley helps draw water from soil or sand, making irrigation easier for farmers and residents. Number 3. Providing water in rural areas. Places without running water, pulleys help people collect water from wells more safely. Report. Using water when there is no electricity. A pulley allows people to fetch water manually, so they can still access water even during power outage or in areas without electricity.
Gamit kaya sa tabay ba? Yes. Education. Until now, nag-exist ba yung mga tabay? Yes, ma'am. Kaya pa sa iyo, no? Okay, last part, the challenges encounter.
Challenges we encounter is
Kirig na sumura sa loob.
Doon ba guys? Doon muna sa lagaway. Lagaway. Doon muna sa lagaway sa tagahaway.
making the well strong enough to hold the bucket. We also had to make sure the string was tight properly and when the handle turns smoothly. After making a few adjustments, the motor worked well.
Asa man mga part mas naglisod kami sa pag-imo sa inyong model? Hanggang sa pagkutan ani?
So, may suggestion na lang.
Pagkana mo ko yung siya kusaka siya. Proceed sa improvements. Any suggestion for improvements?
Saan ka? Saan ka? Sunod ka sa akong mga wala na hagyanan sa kulay. Wala yung ayang
Ma'am, kurang ma'am. Gamay yung kurang
Yes,
ma'am.
allowance suggestion.
Ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Dili ba? Yes, sige, sige.
Hindi na naman, may puto na sila, mga kabutan mo eh. Hindi na,
Ikaw naman!
Ma'am. Gamay yung kurang ma'am.
Ang tingin ni Darloy kayo. Nagawin ko sila bangko. So, yes, another suggestion.
Gamay yung kurang ma'am. Ikaw na tayo.
Gamay daw yung kuray. Bigyan daw yung kuray.
Ma'am, gamakan mo yung kurang ma'am.
Practice gamay ko siya yun.
Ma'am, wala daw yung tubig.
Gamakan mo yun. Gamay yung kurang.
Wala nila yung suggestion.
Wala daw yung tubig,
For
ma'am.
improvements. Wala nila yung tubig. Human, maubos ang tubig.
Amo karon nagagay sa system.
So, wala nila yung suggestion for improvement? Nasabtan na ilang explanation? Binawa na rin, oh? So, okay na, wala nila yung improvements.
Pasabog kay next group mo. Jen.
Thank you so much, Group 2.
Kasi nanima.
Let's give a clap to good job.
Kani. Kabalaw sa system.
Proceed to Group 3.
Sakto na kang pinakauna na ay kita ko sa pagbabalag dito.
Okay, let's have a Group 3.
Nakuha sa kayo.
Okay, start. Ano ang presentation? Operator.
Kaya isdaan. Para wala yung mga
Kami sino kayo sa mga isda. Uy. Saan yung aquarium? Okay. Wheelbarrow, o niyang anong grade ba na ang picture niya? Sige, daw ka sa explanation. Sige, daw ka sa explanation.
Mga basher yun.
Okay, let's have the group 3 start.
Good day everyone, we are the group 3 and today we are going to present our compound machine which is wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a compound machine because it provides two simple machines, the wheel and axle and a second class lever. These simple machines work together to make carrying heavy loads much easier. So here are the pictures of our unit. Our wheelbarrow was made using recycled cardboard materials, even though it's molded, it demonstrates how wheelbarrow works.
Explain ang simple machine, simple, and how they use effort. Our wheelbarrow uses two simple machines. This is the wheel and axle. It uses friction and allows the wheelbarrow to The second is a second class lever. So the wheel is a fulcrum. The load is placed in the tray and the effort is applied at the handles. Because of these two simple machines, the wheelbarrow allows the person to carry heavy materials using less force. Instead of lifting all the weight, the wheel supports most of it, making transportation easier and more efficient.
I will discuss the real-life application and the challenges it handles. Wheelbarrows are commonly used in gardening, farming, construction, landscaping, and yard cleaning. They are useful for transporting soil, sand, rocks, bricks, land, and other materials. While making our model, we experienced several challenges such as cutting the cardboard, quickly attaching the wheel securely, balancing the wheelbarrow, waiting for the glue to dry, and making sure the wheel rotates properly. To solve this problem, we made sure carefully reinforce each part with extra glue and test the model several times until it looks successful.
In conclusion, our project shows that a wheelbarrow is a compound machine because it combines a wheel and axle with a second one lever. These simple machines work together to reduce the effort needed to move heavy objects, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. Through this project, we learn how compound machines are used in everyday life and how they help
Your machine. How efficient is this? Now,
The wheel is
sapatos ka ng sapatos. Sige, try.
Guys, it's cardboard, guys. Dili niyo makita.
Regular niya tayo.
Metal, dili niyo makita. If you want, dili niyo makita. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, explain na sa reporter sa ilang kuhan about sa efficiency sa inyong machine ka. How efficient is your machine? Is it highly efficient, moderate, or low? Is it highly efficient, moderate, or low? Based sa inyong
Sure,
nakuha
gining
na
mga
machine.
plus.
Is it high, moderate, or
Low yun lang. Very low.
yes, why low naman?
Mga bato, mga bukat nga object. Pwede na, order na, dili ini na ba?
Okay, ano yung mga trans? Hindi lang mo.
Okay, ang problema lang is nasa... Okay, salita sa mga improvements. Just chat sa iyo. Number 1, yes. Ayun, ang handle. Ito mo na ang design ka lang. Ano na ilang design? So, number 1 dyan ang liit, no? Hindi ka siya yung managerable. Pero based sa yung materials nila, ayun. Nagamit naman po sila sa cardboard. So, kung saan kaya sa cardboard, wala pa kaya sa ilang machine. Sige. Any other suggestion for improvements?
Salamat po.
Okay, so thank you so much, Group 3. Let's give a hand for Group 3. Nag-report sila kung sila yung mga
Oy.
Ako galing mansion, kami galing kalye. Ay. Wow, sana? Pink powered compound clock.
Dapat glass lang.
Machine is quick powered compound floor.
Power.
Siya ang organization.
The material that we've used is cardboard, syringe and IV tube, wooden skewers, popsicle sticks, rubber bands, string or zip ties, cutter or knife, scissors, ruler, glue gun or sticky glue, super glue, rope, cloth, ribbon, prints and pictures cut off very light and fuzzy wire.
Here are the procedures. The first step is to construct the R elements. We need to measure, cut, and glue cardboard pieces for the R segments and 5 bolt holes.